Skin preparation. Applying pre-epilation powder. Always include feet and toes. Getting ready sugar paste. Applying sugar paste to the hair. Repeat up to 3 to 4 times. Applying sugar paste against the natural hair growth and extracting the hair with natural hair growth direction. Applying stress release pressure. Each time change the body position by following natural hair growth patterns and directions. Before extracting the hair, always tight the skin to avoid bruises. On each part of the body you can reapply sugar paste up to 5 times with no harm to the skin. When you work on the knee, it's better that your client bends it, as it will help with skin pulling and sticking situations. During the procedure you can always add the powder as it's needed. In some areas you can ask your client to stretch their legs for better application and extraction. For best results, always follow natural hair growth directions to avoid any complications. Always use professional aftercare, soothing cream, or oils to complete your service. Sugar paste used. Check the link in the description.